is our last and final full day.
Yeah.
You don't look happy.
Why would I be? Are you happy?
I'm okay because I'm not going back to work until Thursday, so I'm okay.
I go back to work Tuesday.
So we are here at our last and final excursion here in Jamaica, which is going to be horseback riding, as you just saw.
Her
the
choice.
Horse. My choice. I've never ridden a horse before. I don't like animals. I don't like large bodies of water, and this animal is going in the water. Makes no sense to me.
It's too negative.
Two negatives equal a positive.
But
so.
you've always wanted to do it.
And I'm going to do it, cross it off my bucket list, and I'm going to live the rest of my life.
Yesterday was my day, the river.
Yes, the time when that falls. But
Yeah.
if you guys want to experience horseback riding with us, keep on watching.
After this, brother, man.
Too much money in our midst. Yo, come in, Papa, come in. Yeah, I said,
Okay.
you know, come where you do. Yo. Jaja God, that work.
I was sweating. The sweat was coming down off my face from under the helmet into my mouth. But we have just finished the first part of the... Where you going? Where you go? Where you going?
Come back here.
Hey! He running away.
My autopilot.
He quit.
He's like, I'm done.
He put it 2 weeks in. He gone.
Oh, Inessa.
Lose the elements and the mask. Get ready for part 2, okay?
He's gone in the water. As I was trying to say, we just got done with the first part, which was dry land. Now we're getting ready to go in the water back there. Oh, he had to go pee.
Oh, he just went to pee.
Homeboy went to go pee in the ocean. We just got done with our horsey ride. I think one of our guides out here got some footage of us riding the horse, which I'll insert right now. made it back to, what is this place called? Headquarters. So now we're gonna, I don't know, check out. Like you checked in, we're gonna check out. We are back in the bus and we just got done checking out all the pictures that they took. They have photographers here that take your pictures while you don't even know they're taking pictures. Because some pictures I'm like, where was he standing when he took that picture? Anyways, so I'm just gonna insert some of the pictures right now so you guys can see the struggle that I went through.
At least you never drop off like the girl. Good job. You didn't fall. Give me a high five. I feel like I'm gonna drop off without like. Because there wasn't no harness to put your foot in up. So one at a time I feel for harness. I can't feel for harness.
I told Amanda, I said, where the foot stuff at? No foot stuff, sir? You didn't warn me that there's no foot stuff. So now we're heading back to the hotel for our last night. We're gonna meet up with Kayla and Freddie from Day to Day Davis and have dinner tonight at the Italian restaurant.
Wonderful.
And then get ready to go pack and leave for tomorrow. I'm not that sad because I'm not going back to work until Thursday, but I am sad because I'm going back to work Thursday. But yeah,
I'm sad because I'm going back to America tomorrow.
I guess I need a job before Disney New Year, right?
Mm.
Your kids miss you.
I know. I miss them.
They don't miss us.
You know.
Anyways, guys, you'll see us when we get back to the hotel. We made it back to the resort and we ended up at lunch. Damien's plate with his Bob Marley, my plate with my Bob Marley and some cheese, broccoli and cheese soup. And the view turned rainy. So it is about to rain. It is about to storm down. So we're gonna eat and then head to the room, I guess.
3 minutes later.
Heading back to the room now. The rain isn't slowing down as fast enough, as fast as we would like it. And I am sleepy. And it ain't the liquor. So I don't think it's the liquor. So we're going back. We have made it out of the room.
Again.
A little while later. The last clip y'all saw was storming. Now it's not storming. Yes, this is like 2 hours later.
Oh, you just use it?
2 hours later, and this is how the sky's looking. It was over there when it was raining, and now we're over here. About to get on this. Let's see how this works out. I can't swim, and I don't like water. We just got done with this ride that I'm showing you guys right here. We just got done with this. This is not us on the ride. This is some friends that we met at Mystic Mountain that are riding. However, I'm gonna go ahead and insert the clips that Damion recorded of us on the ride right now. So yeah, that was us on the ride.
Hands up.
It was good. It was good. It was a good time. But now we're gonna go ahead and get ready for our last and final dinner, and then we're gonna end our night there. It's almost over. It's almost time to get back to reality, guys. Woo, let's go ahead and get ready for dinner. Our final walk through. Damion was crying this morning, right? And now we are leaving.